Hi everyone, here we've got TCL 20 SE and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app, let's tap on it, and since we are in the standard photo mode, actually auto mode, we can take a look at this option bar at the very top, and on the third position from the right side we've got the timer option. So let's tap on it, and here we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. Right now the timer is off, but we can set either 2, 5 or 8 seconds delay. So let me pick 8 seconds delay. Just tap on the option you'd like to use, and as you can see the icon has changed a little, so we can tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 8, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, let's check another option. For example, okay, it freezed a little, so let's wait, let's be patient. Let's check 2 seconds delay, and the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 2. After turning off the timer, obviously your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button without any countdown. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your TCL 20 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.